Hi everyone, let's solve this problem sort list. So this is a merge sort problem. So the problem statement asking us to sort a linked list in order and login time. So let's write this merge sort function. I say okay, uh, return. Let's call it merge sort. It will be much easier. So merge sort on head will give me a merge sort of linked list. Okay, I have this merge list merge sort, and it will take a head node. All I say is if not head, right? If there are 0 nodes or only one node, I will return head, right? Otherwise I will ask for the left and the right split, right? So I say okay, list left and list right. Okay, I will get it by split list function. I'll ask head to give me those, and once I have this, I just call this function recursively in both. I say okay, sorted left and sorted right is self dot merge sort on list left and self dot merge sort on list right. So once I have the sorted functions, sorted list, I just return the merge of these lists. I say okay, return self dot merge list sorted left and sorted right. Okay, cool. So let's write this function split list. So okay, for the split list I say okay, I will get this head node. It will have at least two nodes because otherwise there was a guard node to have a single node check, right? So all I say is I will have my tortoise and I will have my hair pointer, right? They both will point at head, and while my hair pointer and hair dot next is there, I will keep moving here, right? Because I have to reach at the middle node, right? So my tortoise will be tortoise dot next. So what happens is, in the case of odd list, right, my tortoise will reach at this place when my hair pointer will reach at this guy, right? Because this will be the end of the list in the odd case. So just watch this video on finding the middle node in a single iteration. So this is that algorithm. So I will reach here. So what I'll do is I'll point this guy's next to none, right? But in the case of even, right, so I will reach at this guy. Like basically there is a middle node is this or this, but I will reach here. So what I can do is if I take my hair pointer one step ahead during the race, right? If my hair pointer reaches here, so what will happen is my hair will make one lesser jump compared to when it started here. So what will happen is okay, it will make one jump, it will reach here, and no jumps will be made. So my tortoise from here will reach here. So but in the case of odd it doesn't matter because it will start from this position, it will make one jump, it will make two jump and reach null. Initially it was reaching here when it was starting from here, which is 1 2. It is making the same jumps, but in the case of even it will make one less jump. This is what we wanted. So that's what will be done if I do that, right? So once I'm done, I say okay, let's cache the tortoise dot next. Okay, and all I need to do is tortoise dot next should point to none, and now return head and cached element. So this is my split of left and the right list. So now let's write this function merge list. I say okay, I have this list. I say I have L1 and I have L2. If not L1, return L2, right? If not L2, I'll return L1. Otherwise, let's create a guard node which is this, right? And my writer is that. So now this is the merge list pattern, right? So my writer will be at guard node. So while I say while L1 and L2 both are there, if L1 dot val is less than L2 dot val, my writer dot next will point to L1 and L1 should be L1 dot next. Otherwise my writer dot next should point to L2 and my L2 should become L2 dot next, right? Once I'm done, I take my writer to writer dot next. Once this loop ends, I say okay, if not L1, then writer dot next should point to L2, else writer dot next should point to L1. So this is like I'm merging the two lists. I've merged these lists. So all I need to return now is guard dot next. So let's see guys if it works. Okay, let's submit it. Awesome, it does. See you guys in next video.